Manor High School students have been exposed to petrellus or whooping cough. Now, this comes after the district says someone in the school was diagnosed with it. A letter went home to parents Monday. Now, it spreads by coughing and sneezing. Manor ISD says several people need to get antibiotics. Those include children with a weakened immune system, pregnant women, and babies under the age of 1. Now, if your child is diagnosed with whooping cough, the school says they want to know. They also ask that you keep your child home from school until they have been on antibiotics for 5 days. Online right now at KXAN.com, you can find how many cases have been reported in each Texas county through 2014. There you'll also find a link to KXAN in-depth report focusing on whether state leaders should keep your vaccination records private.